Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Jessica Aloro, 28 years old, married, have 2 kids, 5 years old and 8 years old. My school attendance, I'm a college level, taking up but education.
Okay, do you have any working experience as a helper?
I have an experience before when I was in Dubai, and I know how to cook, cleaning, especially taking care of children.
How many children they have?
They have 2 children.
And how old were they?
They are 2 years old and 9 years old.
Okay, can you please tell me what were your daily work in the house?
I'm cooking, cleaning the house,
Okay.
marketing, and car wash,
Okay,
and of course taking care of the children.
okay, how many cars they have?
There are 2 cars,
2 cars, and you have to wash it every day?
only once a week.
Once a week, okay. Do you need to send the children to school
Only the school bus.
by school bus?
Yes.
All right. So why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to support my family and especially to give future to my children.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook, sir, but only here in Philippines and in Dubai.
Okay. But for the Chinese food, you need to learn,
I
right?
don't know how to cook, sir, but I want to learn.
Okay. If you send a child to school, okay, so what you need to check before you leave your employer house?
Um, First, I will check the door if it is closed, and I will off the electricity, and then the gas tube, I will off that, and then especially the key is with me.
Okay, good. Do you know how to do the marketing?
I know how to go to the marketing because I have an experience before, and I will buy all my employer's need, and then after that I will, if I have change, I will return to my employer.
Okay, so how can you maintain the good relationship with your employer?
I will maintain by respect them, to work it hard, to work with it hard, and of course for what and of course to clean everything, and then to be honest with them.
How do you know the baby is sick?
If the baby is sick, I know if they crying, of course, and always crying and very happy.
Yeah, okay. So if you send the child to school, maybe waiting for the school bus, okay? But that morning you were late and you missed the school bus. So what are you going to do?
First, I will call my employer that we are late, so I will take the bus going to the school.
Okay.
Take
If
the
your
child.
employer they are not at home and the child has a fever, so what will you do?
I will call my employers that the child is sick, and then if and then I will bring to the hospital to the doctor.
Okay, good. Are you afraid of the dog and cats?
No, sir.
You don't. Okay. In Dubai, do you have holidays?
Yes, sir. I have an holiday in Dubai only once a week.
Once
Every
a week.
Friday. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So that means do you mind your day off will not be on Sunday? Is it okay for you?
It's okay for me, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you.